Invoice verification. A lot of customers aren't entirely sure how it works or when you would use it. So let's take a look. Hey there, I'm Zack, and this Fast Tracks fact is about invoice verification. So let's take a look. Invoice verification is a seldom used feature and often an afterthought. A lot of customers aren't entirely sure how it works or when you would use it. So invoice verification is used in conjunction with EDI receiving and is a tool to verify that you actually received what was sent on the EDI invoice. The workflow goes like this. So an EDI invoice is processed and applied to inventory. Then invoice verification is ran, usually from a handheld, and each item physically received is scanned and the quantity received entered. Once complete, the results of this are compared to the invoice received via EDI. So most people assume that functionality, but the next action is what makes it a great feature. So any discrepancy between these two, like items with a different quantity, missing items, or even extra items, are put on a new adjustment invoice. This invoice will use the same naming convention as the EDI one, but will have an ADJ suffix. The reason we do this instead of just editing or adjusting the existing EDI invoice is to make our paperwork match the vendor's paperwork. They have already applied the EDI invoice on their side. So if you call and say there are missing items, they're going to issue a credit or adjustment invoice, and we want to match that. This is especially helpful for accounting reconciliation. As for the frequency of verification, there's not a standard for that. And I think it depends on how accurate your vendor is at picking. Of the customers I know using invoice verification, some verify every invoice, while others only verify about once a month or so. So that's it for this time. Thanks for tuning in, and hopefully invoice verification makes sense to you now. Take care.